For this project we are using Arduino Uno. So here we can see that we are connecting the jumper wires from the Arduino Uno to our breadboard. We are connecting one jumper wire in VIN port and the another one in GND, the ground one. And these two wires will be connected to the breadboard. The Uno's ground pin will be connected to the breadboard's common ground and the VIN pin will be connected to the common VCC. This is an I2C LCD display we are using here for showing the results. There are 4 wires in the LCD display that are to be connected to the breadboard and the Arduino Uno. One is SCL, another one is SDA, VCC and the common ground. The orange pin is connected to the breadboard's common ground and the yellow pin is connected to the breadboard's common VCC. The SCL pin, which is a violet color, is to be connected to the last pin of the Arduino, and the SDA pin, which is of blue color, is to be connected near to that. This is the R307S fingerprint sensor. There are 6 wires in it, but we only need 4 of them to be connected. 2 of the wires are connected in the breadboard and 2 of them are connected in the Arduino Uno. We are using another breadboard for connecting the push buttons. We will also be connecting resistors and some wires which will get connected to the Arduino Uno. We have to place the switch between 2 rows of the breadboard. The last pin of the switch button is considered as the VCC pin, so we are connecting that with the breadboard. We have connected 1 kilo ohm resistors for the 3 switches. One side of the resistor is connected to the last pin of the switch button and the other one to the breadboard. We have already connected the breadboard's common ground and common VCC with the Arduino Uno. One pin from the push button, which is the red one, will be connected to the Arduino Uno's 4 number pin. The grey pin will be connected to Arduino Uno's 5 number pin and the white one will be connected to Arduino Uno's 6 number pin. Here is the connection. Now the last part is to connect the buzzer. The VCC pin of the buzzer is connected to the 6th pin of the Arduino Uno and the black one, which is the ground pin, is connected to the breadboard's ground. Now here is the whole fully connected circuit. Now we are connecting the USB cable of the Arduino Uno to the laptop and now we can see that the setup is working. The fingerprint is blinking and the LCD is showing please place your finger. We have to enroll the fingerprints in the fingerprint sensor. So this is the code and we are uploading it and we will be storing the fingerprints in the sensor with our IDs to stop the duplicate votes. Now this is the final result. We have connected the USB to the laptop and now we have uploaded the code. The LCD is displaying smart electronic voting machine and now it is saying please insert your finger. We inserted the finger which was already enrolled in the system. Now we have to give the vote. And that's it, the vote is taken. Now we are placing the same thumb which has already given the vote. It will show duplicate vote buzzer on. This means no one can give a duplicate vote. If the person has already voted, they can't vote another time. And in this way, we will give votes to every party and in the last, they will count the results and will show us who is the winner. And for that, we have to select an admin ID, which is 4 in here. The admin whose ID is 4 here, and that person will place their 3rd finger. It will show the voting results. Now the admin is going to place a finger and it will show the voting results. So the winner is BJP.